Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Rogue oil. First, let's gather our essential tools and supplies. You'll need a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have 5 quarts of the correct 5W3T engine oil and a new oil filter. Always park your Nissan Rogue on a level surface and let the engine cool down completely before you begin. This ensures your safety and prevents burns. Now let's get rid of that old oil. Slide your drain pan under the engine and locate the oil drain plug. It's usually a 13mm bolt. Carefully remove it and let all the old oil drain out into the pan. This can take about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's fully drained, reinstall the drain plug, tightening it to 25 foot-pounds to prevent leaks. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the oil filter. Locate the old filter, which might be a bit tricky to reach. Use your oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Locate the oil fill cap on top of your engine, usually marked with an oil can symbol. Carefully pour in the new 5W3T engine oil. Your Nissan Rogue typically requires about 5 quarts. Once filled, replace the cap, start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick and look for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.